To prune a burning bush plant properly, it's best to prune in late winter or early spring. Use a pair of clean, sharp garden shears or clippers. To keep your plant healthy, stick to cutting away dead and diseased branches, as well as branches that rub against each other. Trim injured or crowded branches back to just above their point of origin on the main stem of the bush. You can also prune your burning bush to maintain a desired size and shape. To do this, first, decide on the shape you want, such as a cube or globe. Then, use your hedge clippers to trim away the outer ends of the branches until you achieve the shape you want. Try to cut each branch about 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters above a bud or side branch to encourage healthy new growth. While you're at it, thin out the inside of the bush by cutting away some of the oldest branches next to their point of origin at the stem. Throughout the year, keep trimming back any leggy new growth as it appears. Wait to prune new branches until they have grown at least 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, since your initial trim. If your bush is sick or severely overgrown, try a rejuvenation trim in early spring. Cut the bush almost to ground level, leaving only about 6 to 12 inches, 15 to 30 centimeters of growth above the ground. Encourage new growth by watering your bush once a week in spring and summer and feeding it high nitrogen fertilizer twice a year in the early spring and late summer.